Welcome to the tutorial today. Today I'm going to sharing about the alert dialog for single button. So for this example, we're using the single button first. So if we have a OK button, so open up the Android Studio. So this is the main activity class. This is the XML. First of all, we create a text view. And another one for the button. So as usual, to put the layout. Then we create another for button. Below the text view. So when this button click, we have to display the alert dialog. After we click the OK button, then we will display the text view. Okay. So now we have one text view and one button. So we go to the class, have to declare the button and the text view. Private text view. We need to find the view by ID for this text view and button. Button. Text view button. Find view by ID. Text view. So same for the button. Find view by ID. Button. So button on click using set on click view listener. New view dot on click listener. Right click, generate or return method on click. Okay, this function, when the button on click, we will run here. So now we create the alert dialog. Call it builder. New alert dialog. Dot builder. Main activity, we need to pass in the class. Builder. So builder dot we set the message single button dot builder. Okay, we can put another method after the set don't cost first, we can put as dot set positive button. So for this now we're using OK button. We display okay new dialog interface on click listener. When the OK button click, put the cross. So this method will be triggered when the OK button in alert dialog on click. When alert dialog on click. So we have to show this alert dialog. Call it alert builder dot create dot alert dot show. So when the OK button click, we change the text view value dot set text OK button click, for example. Okay, and then we try to build it and see the result. So this is the result with the text view, and we have the button here. And we on click, it will show single button and OK. After click the OK, this text view will change the text to OK button click. OK. This is for single button. If you want to use multiple button, you can here. You can choose for set negative button. A button called cancel. Dot new dialog same. So on cancel, we do nothing. Click OK again. Try to build it. Okay, now you can see the result. Click. We have OK and cancel button. Cancel and do nothing. Cancel. So if you have one more button, you also can put neutral. Neutral button. Call it conform. New dialog. So now we have three buttons. So now you can see here, we have three buttons: conform, OK, cancel. Thank you for watching.